Karen, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here,
Hi.
So I spent just a little bit too much money on summer clothing while it's almost fall. So what better time than to do a try on haul than right now? The first thing that I got is something that I actually didn't even pick out myself. I was looking through stuff, like what would I like. So yeah, my boyfriend started looking with me and he pointed out this blouse. And I was like, okay, it kind of looks like something my grandma would wear, but I'll try it on. And it's just really soft and flowy. It's appropriate for work. Only the thing is, I have a keychain around my neck and it keeps opening my buttons. Like, yeah. Oh. So I got this from this thing, and that's a store in Holland. I don't know if they have any other stores. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this nice little flowy dress. And it's just a really basic dress. And this kind of reminds me of the Spice Girls. I don't know why. Probably because of the designing. But I thought, why not get a nice, simple dress that I can just put on when it's way too hot to wear anything else. And it's a beautiful light purple, lilac. Sounds like lelijk, which means ugly in Dutch. But little flowy dress. And then the next thing that I got is a little shirt. And I am a little confused on how I have to fold this. Oh wait, okay. So it goes on like this. And it has like flowy shoulders. And this part you tie around your back. And it's a beautiful red color. And it's just so light and so flowy and so much fun. And you can wear this with a skirt or with jeans or whatever floats your boat. It's just so adorable and I love it, so yeah. So the only thing is, when I wear this stuff with certain types of bras, it will slowly slide down and reveal my bras. So that's the only downside. So the next thing that I got is a dress. And I would have never ever thought I would like something with this color. Honestly, when I saw this online, it didn't look so vibrant. Oh my god. So I have an app for my phone so that I can see what my camera sees, because this one doesn't have a viewfinder. But on the screen, this color looks so different. It's a really nice fitted dress. It's pretty stretchy, which I love, because when you move and when you eat something, you kind of want to have space to grow your food belly in. And yeah, maybe I should put this one in my car, because when my car breaks down, I have something to wear so that people will notice me when I'm standing on the side of the road. On to the next thing. I got the top and the skirt separately, but I thought it would be so cute if I wore that together. I don't know, but this reminds me of like a Mean Girls movie or something. I got this skirt and it's like a little, I don't know, like a mermaidy effect because of the little things that are on here. So this skirt with this cute shiny bandeau top, I thought it was so cute and so adorable. So this is the outfit that I wore in my video where I recreated Katy Perry, her song On a Budget. Like, doesn't this go together so well? Like, it's not normally my style. Like, it's pretty girly, but sometimes I'm allowed to be girly, right? So the only reason I got this dress so that I had another thing that I could wear to work, but this also could work for like going somewhere where you just want to make sure your ass is in at all times. It's a beautiful black with a little bit of detailing on the side, and it's slim fitted, and it just looks like it's so skinny, but it's really stretchy. So yeah, I really like this dress because it's nice and easy, and if you want to style it in a little bit more elegant way, you can always throw around a belt or something. So the dress. Surprise, surprise! I spent more money on things that I probably can't wear for another year. So this is a really nice short dress to wear special underwear underneath it, because you can see a lot of things going on there. So they put on these old looking buttons, and I think that's so cute. I love this, and I would wear this like all the freaking time if I go on vacation, hopefully next year for the first time ever, because I've never been on an airplane. I just saw myself wearing this on vacation like every day, every morning, going to breakfast, going to the beach, and just that's the whole reason why I bought this. This is also a thing that I wouldn't really necessarily have bought in the first place, but you know, your girl was drinking a little bit of wine when she placed her order. So this is like a jeans fabric, and it's a beautiful light pinkish. I normally would have never worn like the bandeau typey dresses, because I feel like this piece of meat here always sticks out disgustingly, but the older I get, the less fucks I give, so I bought it and I tried it on and I just fell in love. Like, it's so cute. The only thing is it's not that stretchy, so if I would wear it like going out, I would probably die, because certain movements are just not, I don't know, it doesn't feel right. Like you feel the fabric onto your skin like rubbing, but for the rest I just love it. It's so cute and adorable, and I can't wait to get a bigger closet to fit everything in. So that was everything that I got. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then please don't forget to subscribe down below or somewhere in the screen. I love you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Also, let me know in the comment section down below which outfit was your favorite.